Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Gupta and I will be presenting on the basics of IoT and its application in home automation system. So here's the outline. What is the Internet of Things, its history, how it works, some few applications of IoT, and the most popular application home automation, how it works, and what are the applications of home automation, its components, and criticism and controversies, and finally the conclusion. So what is IoT? It is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machine which work together to perform certain tasks without any interaction from human. So when we say Internet of Thing, what is a thing? So thing is basically a physical entity which is present in our surrounding, which has some data, which generates some data, and we can use it to perform certain actions. So history of IoT. The IoT term Internet of Things was first coined in 1999 by Kevin Ashton. So how IoT works? So the Internet of Things life cycle: collect, communicate, analyze, and act. So collection: devices and sensors are collecting data everywhere. So be it your home or your car or at the office or in a manufacturing plant, everything generates data and sensors and these devices collect it. So now the data has to be communicated through some networks, right? So these communication can be done through a cloud platform, data center, home network. Now we have the required data, but data does not convey anything. We need some meaning to it. Therefore, analysis has to be done to provide some more information. Now, after the analysis, we get some meaning from our data. Now, there comes a time we have to take some action based on the analysis. So, like you can do send a notification or talk to another system, warn a person, anything. The structure of IoT can be viewed as a gigantic network consisting of networks of devices and computers connected through a series of intermediate technologies, where numerous technologies like RFIDs, wireless connection may act as enablers of this connectivity. There could be real-time devices, sensors, shrinking things, miniaturization and technology, like in computing terms, the smaller the better, and embedded intelligence because we need some sort of intelligence to take a decision. Application of IoT. Some few applications of IoT are home automation, manufacturing, medical and healthcare systems, media, environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, energy management, transportation, better quality of life for elderly, and agriculture. You name it and you will have everything in IoT. So home automation. What is home automation? Home automation gives you access to control devices in your home from a laptop, mobile device, from anywhere in the world. You can control your lights, appliances, electrical outlets, heating, cooling systems, your plants, everything. So why do we need home automation? So people are usually outside of their homes and for many reasons like traveling, and they want to control some devices from a distance. So for example, they would want to turn off their lights, they want to fill a water tank, they want to water their plants, get some temperature feedback, prevent trespassing or burglary. They want some control of their house. So some popular options for a smart home. What does a smart home should have? There should be some security devices like CCTV cameras where a person can just use their mobile to check up their homes and see if there has been any housebreaking incident or burglary. There could be thermostats, sensors, detector, gas leak detectors, which has saved a lot of lives and a lot of homes, lighting and fan control. appliance automation, curtain controls, like whenever you wake up, the curtains should automatically move, right? TV control, and the list goes on. There is no end to it. So, what are the technology used for home automation system? Connected devices, central control hardware, data cloud, user interface, network interconnection, system security, data analytics. So, what is connected devices? Devices are the primary physical objects connected to the system. These are the devices which collect data from our surrounding. It could be a motion sensor, temperature sensor, power sensor, siren, strobe, light, eye, infrared, anything that can capture some data. Now, a central hardware is present there that connects all these sensors to itself. Now it receives all the data from all the sensors and processes it at the site. Okay. It also acts as a two-way data traffic between different networks and protocol. It may send it to some other location. It first collects it from the sensor, then sends it to some other location. So as we know, these hardwares like Arduino or Raspberry Pi, they have a limited memory. They cannot store data for infinite time, right? So they need to send it to a cloud. Okay, what is a cloud? It is a sophisticated high-performance network of servers optimized to perform high-speed data processing of myriad of devices. It also offers traffic management and delivers accurate data analysis. So, in present scenario, Microsoft Azure, AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, and many other services exist to provide these services. So, user interface, right? If I want to check up my home to see what is going on, right? I need an interface because I cannot understand the raw data, right? So there should always be an interface so that a normal user can can access all can access his home. So network connection, interconnection, right? To send from one place to another, to send data from one place to another, there should have to be some network. This network could be wired or wireless. System security. Security is a critical element of IoT deployment, yet it is too often neglected in the development of systems. Everyday vulnerabilities in the IoT are being exploited with malicious intent, yet the vast majority of them can be prevented simply and cost effectively. So, I'll tell you an incident that occurred in 2016. There was a massive DDoS, denial of service attack on many websites such as Netflix and Twitter, and they had to shut down. There was this virus called Mirai, which infected this Internet of Things devices, and uh, and because of this, these website had to shut down. So you can imagine, websites such big as Netflix and Twitter had to shut down. So you can understand why system security is so much important for IT deployment. So data analytics, right? Uh, as I said, you need some meaning to your data. Without some meaning, data is useless. You need to extract some meaning. For example, you can always find the correlation between the outside temperature versus power consumption. You can say that if temperature is higher outside, there is a higher power consumption in your home. That is true because you might be using an AC, right? So it is obviously would consume more power. So these type of analytics give user more insights, and and a person can be more efficient in his day-to-day work. He would know what to do and what to not to do to save his money and to take actions. So there are some criticisms and controversies. At present, IoT is faced with many challenges such as scalability, technological standardization, interoperability, discovery, software complexity, data volumes, and interpretation, power supply, interaction, and short range communication, wireless communication, fault tolerance, and obviously system security. So, in conclusion, Internet of Things is ever evolving since it started its journey a few years back. New technologies and protocols join the IoT ecosystem to make it more accessible, cost effective, energy efficient, and most importantly, secure. So it is growing. It is comparatively new to older to many other technologies, and it has some growth potential, which has been like predicted by many, such as Gartner, that this IoT could be the most demanded job in 2022 or 24. It is ever growing. Everything comes from everything is like connected to internet, smart TV, smart refrigerator, smart EC. Everything is going smart. That's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe and follow social distancing protocols. Thank you.